Are you looking for the best bike child seats? In this video we will look at some of the best bike child seats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Thule RideAlong Child Bike Seat. The Thule RideAlong Child Bike Seat is a safe and easy-to-use rear-mount child bike seat designed for daily commutes or family adventures. It offers various features to ensure comfort and safety for both the child and the parent. One notable feature is the reclining function, which provides an extra comfortable ride for the child. This allows them to relax and enjoy the journey. The seat can be easily mounted or dismounted in seconds using the universal quick-release bracket, making it convenient for parents on the go. The Thule RideAlong Child Bike Seat is designed to fit most frames, including round frames with a diameter of 27.2-40mm and oval frames measuring 40x55mm. This versatility ensures compatibility with a wide range of bike models. Number 2. Schwinn Bicycle Mounted Child Carrier. The Schwinn Bicycle Mounted Child Carrier is a convenient and safe way to enjoy family bike rides. Designed to be mounted on the frame of most adult bicycles, this child carrier offers several features to ensure comfort and safety for your little rider. The carrier is compatible with seat post diameters ranging from 25 to 32mm, allowing for easy installation on a variety of bikes. With the use of a Phillips screwdriver and adjustable wrench, you can securely attach the carrier to the frame, providing a stable and reliable ride. The Schwinn Bicycle Mounted Child Carrier is designed to accommodate a single child and is recommended for children aged 1 year and up, with a weight limit of up to 40 lbs. This ensures a comfortable and secure fit for your child during the ride. Number 3. Perego Orion Front Mount Child Seat. The Perego Orion Front Mount Child Seat is a versatile and user-friendly bike seat designed to provide a safe and comfortable riding experience for both child and parent. One of its key features is its wide compatibility with bicycle frames, as it can be installed on frames ranging from 32mm to 52mm, 1.3, 2.0 in size. This ensures that the seat can fit a variety of bike models, allowing more families to enjoy bike rides together. The Orion Child Seat boasts an innovative one-click installation system, making it quick and simple to attach and detach the seat from the bicycle frame. This feature adds convenience for parents, allowing them to easily switch between using the seat and riding solo. To accommodate the growing child, the Perego Orion Front Mount Child Seat offers 3-position adjustable footrests. This allows the seat to adapt as the child grows, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit at all times. Number 4. Hamax Caress Rear Child Bike Seat. The Hamax Caress Rear Child Bike Seat is a high-quality and feature-rich bike seat designed to provide a safe and comfortable riding experience for children from 9 months to 48.5 lbs. It offers several notable features that make it a popular choice among parents. One of the key features of the Hamax Caress Rear Child Bike Seat is its frame mount design. This allows for secure attachment to the bike frame, providing stability and ensuring the safety of the child during the ride. The frame mount design also makes it easy to install and remove the seat as needed. Another standout feature is the ultrashock absorbing system incorporated into the seat. This system helps to minimize the impact of bumps and vibrations, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride for the child. It ensures that the child remains comfortable and secure, even on rough terrain.